we can do the same study, like taking the walk cycles also. Also same study, like taking same body actions doing by different animals, like from small size to big size animals, okay, to understand like how weight works, okay. These people are doing little experiments with, like slow motion videos, like different animals. But what our purpose is, like we have to compare, like smaller animals with the bigger animals, so we can understand how motion happens, okay. You can see this guy is, like shakes are happening 15.2 shakes per second for this rat, okay. So what we understand, the small animals shakes are happening actually quite really fast, okay. So small animals move, like really fast in less time, okay. So let's take another example of dog. Here you see the dog is, like shaking himself, and we see in slow motion when these guys are like doing experiment with the dog, what happens in like slow motion, okay. You see average 5.37 shakes per second, okay. So here what we understand is, like the dog shakes are happening 5.37, so it's like moving like it's comparatively moving really slow than rat, right? Okay, so that's what we have to understand, how, like comparison matters with the small and big animals, right? So we can interpret in the animation. Here you can see another animal, shakes are happening 22 shakes, right? So here he beat the rat, right? So he's faster than rat. So yeah, then we can they experimented with the humans also. Like here you can see, like what is happening is, let's see, 4.2, he is like near to human. This guy is like near to dog, sorry, okay. So that's how, like we can compare the anatomies of different animals in like same body actions doing, so we can understand more how thing moves, how things are related to the weight, how things are, like doing their actions in like what time they are taking, what frames are they are taking. So here we can take like example of the, like really big animal, okay. Like it is like also like different in anatomy, but also, like it's easier to compare with the other smaller animals to bigger animals, so doing the same actions, okay. So here when we take the example of elephant, you can see in 1 second what he is doing, just do, right? Yeah, so we can understand actually how, like things matters, where smaller things and like smaller animal to bigger animals, okay. So here we can say, like smaller animal take less frames to move and bigger animals take more, okay.